Welcome back to the Chattahoochee, everybody. Yeah, back with you know who. Man, look at the scenery out here. Yeah, we're out here on the Chattahoochee, right at Roswell Road Bridge. Look what I found, but I already knew these things were here years ago. I like coming by to take a look at them. You can tell the river's been up a little bit. They're covered in the wet muck. Yeah, but look at that. I don't know if those are old building parts or old parts to the bridge, the original Roswell Road Bridge. I don't know, I can't tell. They're too heavy to move around. Who knows? They could be part of some turn of the century bridge down in downtown Atlanta or something. I can't tell. You think that's those are too big to be too small to be for a bridge? There's no access road up there. It's, you can't get back there now because it's all overgrown. But Lord knows, see, this is what spawned me to go out to the Chattahoochee and explore along the banks of the Chattahoochee to try to find old dumping sites where they legally dump building artifacts and stuff from old restored buildings and all. Like this. This is cool. I took a few pictures out here with my DSLR when the sun was just right in late August, early September. There's more right in front of you. I mean, they're just stacks of them out here. But I'm about to put a painting together. I'm trying to today. A natural painting. Yeah. I got these leaves out of the river. I'm collecting the leaves today. The leaves of time. To try to look for the best of the art. Which one's got the best? I think that one's got the best. All different colors. You got some reds, oranges, browns, yellows. That's why I like coming out here in the fall, getting on my kayak. I mean, it's not fall. Here we are, still in mid-July. But these are just remainders of like the storms and all. The leaves being blown off. But that's got some red, some green, some brown in it. That's gorgeous. Man. Yeah. I'm trying to put a painting together. A natural painting. Not now, maybe later. But I tell you what, the only way to capture the essence of and stabilize the color of time, the color of nature, is in photographs. You can't do it. I try to experiment many ways to take an item like this, like in the fall, and I tried many ways to freeze the color in time. I haven't figured out a way yet. I tried everything, but nothing works. It all just turns brown. Yeah. Seems like the only way we can do it is with photography. But yeah, let's get back into this roaring river right here. It's wild out here. I mean, the current's pretty strong today. I came from that park just down here, Azalea Road Park or something. Riverside Park right down here. And I've been out here for an hour. Because the current's strong. It is. Good thing is it's only 4:15. I'll still have a long way to go. The park doesn't close. So, yeah, let's look at this artwork up here. I come by about once a year. But sometimes more than that. Sometimes 5 times a year, I don't know. But yeah, to the right you have the old new Roswell Road Bridge. That replaced the turn of the century one. From back in the 1880s, 1890s. And then the one on the left is a 1960s bridge. The addition. Different styles. You can tell how engineering really rules the world of architecture now these days. Wow, look at that scene. Yeah, that's pretty cool right there. I'm waiting for this man to pass in his little boat. He's got one of those little boats, motorboats, little tiny one, like a square one, and he's with his son. Look at that scene right there, people. You got contrasts of old and new. Yeah, that tells me the trick right there. That tells me the whole deal right there with the architecture. Georgia Tech designed this monstrosity here on the right. Look at that image. Abstract perfection. Taking a reference picture. See the lighting's got to be just right. Now look at that. Look at that little pillar right there. Yeah, it got some serious architecture right here. They really took that to heart. Yeah, let's try to get something nice right here. How about that one? I know it's not perfect. See the door in the middle. Here they come. Perfect timing. Yeah, they got some art up in here. Look at that scene. That's wild right there. Let's scroll out. Got the light shining through like the cross. I'm going to teach you a couple things about art and architecture. We're about to go take a look. If we can get around this. The current's pulling us to the right. I want to go to the left. Yeah, the current's pretty strong around these support columns, these support items around here. But yeah, once we get on this thing, we're not going to be able to turn around. Hold on, let me get my bearings right quick. This place. What do we have here? I got to be careful where I leave my kayak. Looks like some peanut butter and jelly. Don't step on that. It's like ice. You just let nature do its thing. Let nature take over. Yeah, there they go. Look at them. They're looking at me. Look. They're wanting to come over here and see what Leonardo's up to. And then they're going to threaten to take my kayak. I like that scene. That's cool right there. Yeah, but you gotta be careful with them out here. They'll be waving you down. I'm trying to make my way up here, but look what's happening. I'm slipping and sliding. I'm trying to look for stuff. Can't go to the other side because that's where that Riverside Trail is. Yeah, let's hope somebody's looking behind me, making sure my kayak doesn't mysteriously disappear. And then they're laughing as they go down the river. 40-ounce people. No, 40-ounce profit. My bad. Somebody had a little campfire out here. Looks like one of these youngins was dumb enough to actually spill a bucket of money. No. Oh no, they're not that stupid. At least I don't think so. I'm gonna be looking for that art. Look at this tree. Just anybody hiding anything in cracks like Leonardo does? Hope you enjoy this little tour. I know it's not much. I know it's not. I want to go trek through these woods over here, but look at all the briar patches. Yeah, but you guys gotta be careful out here. Especially in this area between, and you're probably going to say it's not true. It is true. You're lying. People, you're lying if you say it's not true. The way they act out here. I practically have to put in my headphones like I'm trying to ignore, like I'm talking on the cell phone, just to have an excuse to ignore them. Yeah, but I'm going to tell you what, from Acres Mill Park all the way through I'm not going to say as far as Jones Bridge. I'm just going to say, let's just say as far as North Sandy Springs, right south of Norcross. That's where you get the bulk of the problem child, the problem children. As we slip, I gotta get that because it's bad out here, people. But let's get back on the river. Yeah, I had to take a break, if you know what I mean. A different kind of break. Yeah, look at that. Man. Alright, let's get back on the river. It's gonna be rough. I gotta do this two-hand. Back again, about to get on the river until I notice something else. What have I always taught you in all my movies? I come across these all the time. Because they're not only signs for me, but they're signs for you. Should this be, I don't know. Should this be Virgin of the Rocks? I mean, Virgin of the Rocks this time? The angel? Or should this be John the Baptist? Or could this be Bacchus? I don't know. Maybe it's too big to lift. So whose finger is this going to be this time? I don't know. Welcome to the infamous Georgia 400. Most of the time when I'm on the river, even going against the strong current, I'm going faster than you ever will on 400. Oh boy, Georgia 400. Yeah. I've only made it this far before. This is it. This is as far north as I made it. From Riverside Park, that is. So my goal today is to go further north as far as possible. It's about 5:30. I got 4 hours to get back, but we're only 2 miles from the park. I want to get out and explore some of these woods out through here in the middle of suburbia. But all I know is what park is on the other side of this? What is that? I don't know. Something Ford Park or something? F-O-R-D-E? Something Ford Park. It's on the other side of 400. We'll go up there and see these boulders. And we'll see these fishermen who give us dirty looks. Let's hope the currents aren't too strong, excuse me. Let's hope the currents aren't too strong at all. But yeah, it looks nice through here. Every time I come out here, not every time I come out here, but every time I get on that, I'm on that freeway up there, looking down, realizing where I want to go. But instead of wondering, let's go ahead and go and get there. Yeah, I figured out the name of that state park up here. It's Island Ford State Park. I want to come up here and explore a little bit. I only went there one time about a few days ago, and I made it out to the river just for a few minutes. I got here about this time of day. Had to take a little break. Yeah, stretched my legs out a little bit, you know? Sitting down for all this time, my back started hurting. Yeah, we haven't gone far. We've gone about maybe 1,000 feet. The current is absolutely treacherous. I mean, you really have to really paddle hard. I've been paddling non-stop, but my feet are stuck. Look, I'm creating art. Look at that. I want to see something. Yeah, look at this. It's crazy, man. And my right foot is stuck. And I can't get it out. I'm trying, guys. Hold on. I want to see something. Both my feet are getting stuck. It's dangerous out here. It is, if you don't find the right spot. It's like concrete out here. It's like putty. Let me put it like this. It's like plaster Paris. That's better. Look at that. I bet 95% of you have never explored, not explored, but never experienced this kind of stuff. Hope you enjoyed this little exploring video. I know it's nothing much. No Da Vinci Code stuff yet. I mean, I'm trying to enjoy my time, but look at this. I like exploring that kind of stuff. I want to know where that comes from. I know it's nothing much. I got stuck one time. I did. I got stuck all the way down to my knees and I couldn't get out. Oh crap. Uh-oh. I got my headphones in there. Look at that smoke cloud. Look at that. I know. Everywhere Leonardo goes, I try to create art. Everything I do is art. Everything I see is art. Well, we're in a crazy spot right here. Look at those rapids. We're at a spot right in front of the Island Ford Park up through here. You see the nice lady sitting on those rocks in the middle of the river. But these rapids are not that bad. They're what do they call that? Like a scale 1 or something? I don't know. It may be like a 2. But when you're in a kayak trying to go smooth and you're trying to go backwards like me, it might be a lot harder. So I gotta get on this thing. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. They let out the Beaufort Dam, the water at Lake Lanier from Beaufort Dam like at 2:55 today until 7:30. And it's like 6:50 now. But there's a guy who passed me earlier. He's sitting up on those rocks. So apparently he already made it up there. Sorry, I'm trying to stay put. But yeah, let's try to get up there. It's gonna be crazy. Well, I haven't made it too far. I've gone, there's Crocodile Dundee over there. But yeah, I'll never get across. But yeah, let's check out what we have here. Yeah, look at that current pulling me back. But you know, this is all you get up here, is that. You don't see her in the middle of the screen, do you? No, of course you don't. Too far away. I don't have my high-powered DSLR out here. My bad. The current's too bad out here. I'll never get a good fix. Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, she's probably like a 9.9 or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'll never get up here. I mean, it looks stupid for me to paddle when I can just get out and walk across. Let's try to do that. But how am I going to do that? What if the rapids pull my kayak out of my hand? Then I'm screwed for good. Alright guys, this is the best I can do for now. You got Island Ford State Park across the street. Across the this little area of the river. The main river is behind us. But I love exploring. But yeah, I've been here before. I mean, last time I came here. trying to figure out what this little island was. But yeah, this is the best we can do. What's the best place to put this? I don't know. Alright, I think I have a spot if I can get over there between these briars. Alright. Look at all these briars I'm walking through. Man, look at all these briar bushes. I bet no one's going to see it. I want them to see it, and I don't want them to see it. Alright. Look at that. That's a great spot right there. So this is one of those spots I couldn't even get to because the current is so bad. Alright. How about we leave it right here, pointing them in that direction. Yeah. Alright. Finger pointer rock. It'll take a while for the waters to get to you. I say a few hundred years maybe. You guys ready to go? Man, look at these nice pieces of artwork I found in the river today. Yeah. You don't think so? Look at that. Look at that abstract painting. Man, that's perfect. Look at the greens and yellows. Yeah. You don't think so? Maybe I'll paint the Mona Lisa right here for you. Let me see. You put it together like a puzzle. That line's supposed to match up with this line. See, that yellow matches up with you have some contrast like the horizon. Let me see here. Let's slide that under here. Let's set the horizon right here at 5 degrees. There you go. Yeah. Alright. Paint the Mona Lisa with nature. Let's wash this one off. What do we have here? What kind of contrast and color we have to match up? Maybe some of those veins need to match up with one of these veins. Yeah. Should we flip it like the Osworth, or should we just leave it like on his face? Alright. Let's put that there. Alright. What about some color? Yeah, I like this one. Let's try to match up these dots. Where are we missing some dots? How about right here? Yeah. Should it be 90 degrees? Or should it be 80 degrees? Oops, I lost that one. No, I didn't. I know you think this is boring as you know what. I'm trying to teach you something. I like this one. That one has a lot on that. Let's see, how about right here? Let's bridge the gap, like that bridge. You know, how is that bridge formed, by the way? Yeah. It's formed by the armrest when you put the puzzle together. The armrest in the Osworth, when you scale it down, match up the horizon. The bridge is formed at that exact angle. The bridge is formed by the armrest. Yeah. You don't know the real Da Vinci. You never did. Let me see. What was significant about this one? I forgot. Maybe the sun baked it too much. I don't know. See you later. What do we have here? Yeah, look at these people out here laughing at Leonardo. painting the Mona Lisa with some leaves. Yeah, they don't know. Where are we missing some color here? Maybe that yellow line right there. Yeah, okay. I know you don't see the Mona Lisa. I'm just teaching you something. Oops. That one faded too much in the past 3 hours. Forget about that one. Oh yeah, we got some good brown here, some gold color. Let's put that one down here, just like this. I'm creating a painting. Leonardo style. Wow, this is my first one I got. That's my favorite. Man, I like that one. Where should this one go? What are we missing? So we got the bridge here. How about we just make this her perfect face? Yeah. Perfect face. I like this one too. This one's smaller. Yeah. Alright. What does this one represent? I like that. You want to take a picture? I don't know. Excuse the rotation. Alright, let's go. You ready to ride the rapids? Let's go. We're speeding. We have a friend out there. He's drinking from the river. We're floating sideways. I want to see him get out of the water. Let's watch Georgia Outdoors. There he goes. Ooh, pretty deep, isn't it? I'm waving to him, like I always do. Oh, man. I know, slippery, isn't it? I slipped 7 times already today. I just didn't get it on camera. Yeah, you don't want to see my backside. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that part. It wasn't much. Maybe I'll take you up to hope you enjoy this short little movie. I know we didn't do much. I'm trying to pick up the pace. Yeah. But my body and my mind require this kind of relaxation. We're still floating sideways, but we're breaking the speed limit on the river. Yeah, this is hardcore. This is probably slow jogging, maybe. Yeah. This is why people like to shoot the hooch, so they can just ride out. Yeah. We're at a place called Martin's Landing over here, on this side. Eves Road, E-V-E-S, is up the road from here, like up there somewhere. I'm a walking map. You should know me by now. You should know me. I'm a walking map. Listen to that thunder. The thunder of Georgia 400. Hope you like the scenery. It's not done yet. We haven't even gotten to the sunset yet. I like that thunderstorm brewing in the background. That looks nice. I bet that's going to be orange for that backward sunset. That looks really cool right there, though. Contrast is horrible. Yeah. I'm taking reference pictures. Look at how the darkness outlines that one spot. You already know what I explained to you about outlines. Should understand that by now. Yeah, well, maybe they'll turn orange in about 20 minutes. I don't know. I don't know if I need to sit or if I need to keep going, because I can cover about another 2 miles in about 10 minutes as fast as I'm going. Yeah, but I'm trying to get from behind these big money houses. I don't want them to think I'm out here scouting the area. Man, check that out. The camera's not picking it up. Oh well. Yeah, once that sun gets from behind, once the sun starts to set low on the horizon, when it's supposed to set the tone for those clouds to change to those colors I need. Once it gets behind those big dark clouds in the horizon that you don't see behind the trees, it's going to wash everything out, and we're not going to get that sunset. Man, oh well. You ready to hit it? No pun intended. I don't think so. You better go. You better turn. You better turn. It's like the Titanic. We got a new one up here. 2017. Hope you guys enjoy this short little movie. Little exploration along the river. Today was a lazy day. I'm not going to call it a lazy Sunday because I can't come out here on Sunday or a Saturday. Because the place where I park, you only get like 9 parking spaces, and 4 of those are handicapped. So I can only come out on the blind side a weekday or something when I know I can get a parking space. Yeah, but maybe one day we'll explore these lands. We might find something up here. I think the old Roswell Road Bridge was right here. The covered bridge they used to have. I think it was right here. There's no absolute proof. It could have been right there. But there was definitely something right here for sure. I don't know if it was the original covered bridge or not. You'll see something coming up. Yeah. But there was definitely something right there. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was a beaver. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next movie.